Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. Speaking of subscribers, I have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and all you need to do to enter is subscribe and leave a respectful comment. And a shout out to Joyce, Anita, Karen, Maybelline, Nancy, Christine, Heather, Christy B65, and Judy. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today I thought we would do Roxy's Weekly Challenge, the fun belly bands, and it's week number 13. So I went ahead and I gathered a few things. I'm going to set them aside here. And I cut my belly bands 1.5 inches wide. And let's see if this will help. Will this help? I'm turning on another light to see if possibly that might help. I don't think so. I don't think that will help. So maybe if I just scoot over a little bit, that might help. Oh, that's a little better. All right. So it's 1.5 inches wide, and it's about 7.5 inches wide, long. I'll get it right here in a minute. All right, so we've got our book pages, and I've got some coffee dyed paper that actually has some lines in it. I dyed it on a rack, so it has some lines. So let's just go ahead and begin. And I think I'm just going to put my glue page down and just, go ahead and put some glue on here, like that. So I had another issue with my YouTube, and it didn't have to do with YouTube, it had to do with my computer, and it had filled up all of its storage. So I needed my son-in-law to come over, and he did, and he helped me out, and so I'm back up running, and I shouldn't have any more issues, heaven's sakes. I really hope not, because that really puts a damper on things. I would start a video, and then after I'd get maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes into it, it would say storage full, and it would just shut off. So he worked on it for me yesterday, and he's got it up and running, and so now I'm in business once again. So I really appreciate that. Truly I do. Because if it was up to me, I wouldn't have been able to fix it. He wrote a program and everything so that when it would start getting full, it would just, every so often, what am I trying to say? Every so often it just puts it in this, wherever it puts it. And so I shouldn't have any problems with that storage. So I'm so happy about that. And so that's what was going on with me, why I hadn't jumped on again. I was trying, I was jumping on, and my computer was kicking me off because it didn't know where to put it. There was no more room to put it anywhere. Okay guys, so I have got this all torn and put on there with the words and the paper, the coffee dyed paper. I can't seem to talk right now. Now let's get our pretty little pieces that we can add to this. Goodness gracious. We have got this. Now I need to see how wide this is. 1.5. This is 2. I'd end up cutting some of this off, but I guess that would be okay. This is pretty. I've got this pretty thing. They're kind of firm. I didn't cut them out of anything. They came this way. That's nice. I like that one a lot. And I would like to ink that up just a little bit. I know Roxy doesn't ink, but I really like the look. It kind of sets it off from others. There's a number 2 on there. That's sweet. You know what I really think I would like to do right now is to trim it, because I can't really tell where anything is. So I'm going to trim it. Oh, it's just now pouring and pouring outside. Yes, lots of rain. Okay. Look at my scissors. Got glue on them. Okay. I'm kind of tired today, you guys. I think it was just because I've done so much today already. And it's the end of the, towards the end of the day, and I'm just poop-de-doop-deed. Okay. So let's see. Oh, I know what I'd like to do. I think I'm going to actually ink up around the outside of this. There, I do like that. I like that a lot. I was thinking, what was I thinking? I was thinking of maybe, I've got this, adding a little bit of maybe some washi tape on it. I was just playing around. I was cleaning my desk off, and I had this washi tape on my desk, and I thought, you know what? How about if I just use this as well? It would put a nice color. The color's a little different than this, but it's still very pretty. That might go a little better. Put a few more up here, maybe the other way. I don't know, guys. I'm just playing. I am just playing. I do like that. I think that makes it look bright. And no, I inked up that other one. I'm going to ink up this one now. Let's ink them all up. Okay. Okay. I'm going to get my fabric tech just because it's a really sturdy glue, and I really like fabric tech. Okay. I'm going to put it down. It's kind of in the middle of that. And I think I would like to go ahead and put some fabric tack on this as well, since I'm going to put it on top of the tape, and I don't know how it would stick on the tape with a glue stick, but I'll put that on there like that. And I actually have some sequins. I know this is kind of wild, but these sequins are about the right color. It's kind of looking kind of Eastery. What do you think, guys? It looks a little Eastery. Oh, there's even a blue one. Oh, I think that's pretty, guys. Do you like that? I think it's pretty. Well, why not, right? Just something different. Something different. Let's put these back before I spill them and go everywhere. And let's go ahead and put these down. I'm just going to put them down here and there. There we go. Oh, very pretty. Very nice. I hope this isn't too dark, this video isn't too dark. Did that help? I think that actually helped a little bit. Okay, so now let's pull this down and let's go ahead and put a little glue here and here. There. I really like that. I'm thinking, I'm going to turn it this way so you can see it a little better, even though it's be on the side. Thinking I'm going to add a little pearl or something in the middle. Let's go all out, guys. Let's just do it. I have these, which are dots. My daughter bought my granddaughter a picture that she uses dots to make it. So I finally saw what you do with these things. I didn't know. I just bought these because they have a flat back, and I thought, you know what? I can use these like I would like a pearl. It'd be a little something different. I bought this color, and I bought gray, and I bought a grassy, minty, grassy kind of green, a light green. And I thought they would be really pretty to use in this way. They were on sale and they weren't very much money. And then she bought that picture for her to work on, and I was like, oh, that's what you do with them. That's what you do with them. All right, you guys, I'm going to pick this up. I'm going to show you. Well, that's really different for me, but you know what? I really like it. Oh, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'd love to see you in my next video. See you soon. Bye.